Okay, so let's talk about the taper. So this object obviously has the gizmo kind of offset, so let's unlock it, recenter it, and let's go to our little gear. This gives us our deformer top. We'll click on taper. This gives us this box around our sphere. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see what's going on. And I'm going to click and drag, and you can see that it's tapering up. Click and drag down. You can get it to taper down. Click on the exponent. Controls how much of a taper you get. We have the opacity. So basically what this is doing is, as of right now, this taper is tapering in the XYZ all at the same time. But we can pull the different opacities so that it's only, as of right now, this one is only tapering in the Y and Z because we push the X all the way down. So I can make this, let's see, let's pull this back. So we go to the other side. So you can see that by pulling these in the negative direction, it actually kind of redoes this negative taper in. And so we can play around with these to get some forms that we can play around with. So there's a fairly interesting kind of axe shape. Okay, so what we can do if we wanted to make this into an axe at this point would be go ahead and click the gizmo, accept it, click the gizmo again, hit flatten, grab one of the edges, pull it in, grab this edge, pull it in, like so. So this one is at 0.456, grab that one, bring it into 0.457. And there is a very complicated shape with an edge. Then we can hit accept, click deformer, turn this down a little bit, grab that corner, grab this one, bring it in, accept, deformer again, pull this up and this one up. So the more points you have with your deformer, your bend doesn't affect like a longer distance. So I just grab this little one here. You can see I'm just slightly nudging this little area. So if I grab these four and pull, you can see I get more control. So pull that up here, accept, go flatten this backside in, like that, accept, and then if we wanted to, we could subtool, insert cylinder, rotate it around, scale it down, scale this up, alt click on our little axe head, go back to our deformer, let's grab those, scale them in a little bit, accept, rotate around, slide that into it, and so there we have a little axe head. And again, this was just kind of riffing to kind of show you a concept there, but this would be a good gray block to kind of figure out a form or a shape if you wanted to. And again, at this point, we could easily merge these two down and then use, say, bend arc, so we can actually start bending those shapes together. Okay, so order of operations is very important when it comes to creating objects, and we're going to get into that a little bit later, but you can see how you can get some very complicated shapes really quickly.